हय
आज तुमकां सगळ्या येवकार दिता आनी आज तुमकां खबर आहा की जे 6 मार्चाक जे सेशन जातलें तेजें आज बिझनस एडवायझरी कमिटीची मिटींग आनीक बिझनस एडवायझरी कमिटी मिटींग जेन्ना जाता ह्या सेशनाचो अजेंडा थिंगा डिस्कस जाता. सगळे पॉलिटिकल पार्टीचे हेड, आमचे सभापती, मुख्यमंत्री, ऑपोजिशनाचे पार्टीचे लिडराचे हेड हिंगा हाजीर जाता. आज जेन्ना दिस विल बी वन, आय बिलीव दॅट द लास्ट बजेट सेशन एटलिस्ट फॉर अस ड्युरिंग द टर्म 22 to 27. आनीक every BAC I have written to the honorable speaker, and whenever we write to the speaker, our letters are not brought on record. Only once it was brought during a session. Otherwise, every letter and every letter of dissent is not brought on record. So I have written a letter of dissent to the honorable speaker, to which issues that needs to be addressed urgently. There was an 86th All India Presiding Officers Conference in Lucknow. आनीक आमचे स्पीकर जे पडाशिल्ले थिंगा तो उलयलो की क्वेश्चन्स, कॉलिंग अटेन्शन्स, कमिटी वर्क आनी बजेट स्क्रुटनी हे कॉन्स्टिट्युशनल मेकॅनिझम्स म्हणून. आनीक आज तेणे सांगला की लोकाले लेजिस्लेचर सेफगार्ड आनी पब्लीक इंट्रस्टा हितून हेजेर चर्चा जावपाक जाय, डिबेट जावपाक जाय. आनी मिनिमम थिंगा एक उल्लेख जालो, मिनिमम 30 दिसाची सेशन जावपाक जाय म्हणून. आज दूख म्हाका जाता कित्याक वेन फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल द मिनिमम एज पर रुल्स सेशन शूड बी 15 days. It has been curtailed, and when it has been curtailed to 14 days. Using suspension of rules, they will curtail it. So whether 30 days we will get in this following session, since this is a budget session, or whether this is just a namesake question, and what you speak needs to be, what you preach needs to be shown on action. Action म्हणजे कितें? हे intention of this letter to write to the speaker, number 1 point, that all the opposition MLAs should be given sufficient time through the instruments for the betterment of the state and its people. आता जेन्ना आज एक मुद्दो जालो example, you can imagine there will be demand of grants. So when there are demands, practically 11 ministers and chief minister who's doing golden jubilee shortly, I have been told that maybe there are some more portfolios he might want to take in the few days to come. So this golden jubilee boy will discuss his portfolios in one day. प्रत्येक डिमांडाक 2 मिनटां पावसाला हाका 2 वर जायी. So the opposition should get ample amount of time to discuss these demands. दुसरो पॉइंट जे आज बाब विरेश बोरकराक मॅन हँडल केलो, ज्या पद्दतीन ताका त्या स्टेप्सांतल्यान देंवन हाडलो, action, and there has to be a debate on the episode, and the chief minister needs to understand, tell us, and the honorable speaker needs to force him on the act of dragging an MLA who is an elected representative, and the house was called and he was doing his duty of raising questions. आज जे एक डिबेट जावपाक जाय म्हणून जायना, आमी जेन्ना आमकां बाब फेर्दीन रिबेलान बील एक दिलें आनी 16 तारीख फेब्रुवारीचें हें बील आमी टेबल केल्लें 16 फेब्रुवारी, कित्याक आय गॉट इट इन माय हँड ऑन 16th. Some of their representatives came, after which on 19th February there was a letter. This letter is sent to me by the Secretary Legislative, and this Secretary Legislative letter says कि I am directed to forward a copy of the private member's bill received from leader of opposition. The same may be vetted and draft duly corrected and put in format of a bill to be introduced in the House, whether the same meets the requirements to be introduced in the Goa Legislative Assembly. The same may be forwarded to the Secretariat by 2nd March. So, ये bill जे आमी दिलेले ते मी सांगला डायरेक्शन दिलेले आसा द गोवा प्रोटेक्शन एग्रीकल्चरल लँड बिल बाय ऑफ 2026 by second it has to be the government needs to send their clarification. Now ह्या बिलाचेर डिस्कशन जावपाकूच जाय कित्याक हे सेक्शन 39A पळय हे रद्द जावपाक जाय. सो दीस फोरम इफ द चीफ मिनिस्टर काल जेन्ना सांगतालो दिस इज द करेक्ट फोरम टू बी डिबेटेड then you have to allow this bill. This bill asks for the scrapping under vetting procedure. Otherwise, you all come with an amendment and scrap this particular bill. They come with a cabinet resolution, scrap it in the interest also. ये पहिले सध्या जे बिल आम घाताय इतली बिल हेच्या होणे आमी जे घातलेले केन्ना ऑन रिकॉर्ड ते हाणे. So this is a strategy. And I've got a written confirmation from Secretary Legislature that 2nd March both त्यांका रिप्लाय दिवची. सो हेजेरय आमी स्पिकराक सांगतले. तिसरे जेन्ना मुखेलमंत्री डेकोरमाचे उलयता